Hello friends and potential friends. Just a quick status report on my Tater Tower. Day before yesterday I added more compost to it to raise the level. As you can see, I got taters growing. Full disclosure, the ones you see growing here came from the potato that I got from the store that I planted just to fill in the box. None of the ones that I grew in the winter have come up. None. I mean, they were only in the ground for 2 months. They probably didn't have time to mature. Guess they were just adolescents, preteens. But when I added the extra dirt to this, I did go ahead and cut up one more potato I got from the store, and I stuck it in the front here. We'll see what happens there. I'll be adding one more layer to the box before long, because I'm going to have to hill up those guys in the back pretty soon. They're growing real good. That's where we're at so far. We shall keep you up to date.